5 hidden reasons your morning bowel movement is not regular.
Let's look at 5 hidden reasons your morning bowel movement is not regular.
When your Agni is weak, the body cannot push waste efficiently in the morning.
Skipping warm water after waking slows colon movement.
Eating heavy or oily food late at night keeps your stomach busy till morning.
A stressed mind directly tightens the colon. Calm mind, regular motion.
Your gut loves rhythm. Irregular waking, meals or phone scrolling first thing all disturb natural urges.
Ayurveda says early waking, warm water, light dinner, and a calm mind restore healthy morning motions.
Follow for simple Ayurveda tips to heal naturally.